Yo, what is good, YouTube? We're back with another video. If you guys are not in the free Discord, go join it. It is the first link down below. We're going to be going over CISD in this video. We're going to go over all the examples that happened this week and how you can use CISD to understand if the market's going to reverse, is the market going to continue, right? CISD is one of the things that I use to frame reversals off of. It's more or less my favorite now. So CISD is what we are going to be going over today. And right here I have a little depiction of what it would look like. So you guys see these three down close candles trading into this sell side level, right? I don't have any wicks on it just because this is just a little example, right? And you see this up close candle. It fails to close above the body of this down close candle that drove into the sell side, right? So there is no change in the state of delivery yet. Whenever this candle closes green and this down close candle takes out these lows, and then this candle closes above the body of this down close, there is now a change in the state of delivery, right? It is a candle closure above the body, not the wick. It is the body candle closure, right? So right here we have a CISD, and then the next candle can trade down into it and then continue higher, right? So this is all a CISD is. If we are entering a higher time frame PD array to the downside, it will be the last down close candle for your CISD. If it is a higher time frame on the bearish side, so up here, it will be the last up close candle for your CISD, right? So let's go over the examples from this week. We can go over Friday's example right here, right? So what do we see here on the hourly chart, right? We have this sell side level down here. We came in bullish. The other thing you want to do with this is align yourself with higher time frame order flow, right? Higher time frame order flow is key. So we come down, we drive into this sell side level, but we failed to take out this low, right? There's an SMT at this low with these candles. This low was taken out on the ES on this day. So there's a SMT there. Now NQ does not need to take this low. That is what I failed to realize on Friday. I didn't end up taking a trade on Friday because I thought this low would have gotten taken, but I failed to realize there was an SMT at this low already. So if we go down to the 5-minute, you can see this down close candle was the one that drove into the liquidity pool, right? This up close candle fails to get above this down close candle. We have another down close candle that takes out this low, right? So this becomes what? Turtle soup. Now we have a candle closure above the body of this candle, right? So this is your change in the state of delivery, which becomes your order block, right? So now we have an order block at 10 a.m. news drives into this order block and continues to the draw on liquidity, right? These highs over here, and so on and so forth. Now, if we go down to the 1-minute, you can see this better, right? So right here, drive down into this low, don't close above this candle, right? Drive down again, closure above this candle, right? So you can use this one as your order block, right? So there we have an order block. Now this will become your CISD for a continuation, right? Closure above right here, tap it, continue, right? So the CISD happens at the last down close candle if there is an SMT, right? So there is no SMT quite yet. Actually, there might have been I think there actually was an SMT, but this is open, right? 9:30, just wait 10 minutes until after open. So like right here, right? So we fail to close above this body, no SMT, right? Fail to close above this body, continue lower. Close above the body, continue, right? So I don't usually use CISD on the 1-minute. I like to use it on the 5 and the 15-minute, right? So yes, my entries do come from the 1-minute, but I don't like to use CISD on the 1-minute. My favorite is the 5 because it becomes way more clear, right? So right here becomes your change in the state of delivery, continuation. Now, if we head over to Thursday, you can see CISD propping up the market, right? So right here, we have 9:30 open right here. What do we have with this candle right here? Turtle soup, right? And this was what I was saying to the Discord. I said, if we close above this candle body, we're going to continue to this high, right? But this trade took way too long. So I got out like right around here, right? So right here, if we close above this body, we're going to continue to this high. Closure above the body. Look at these, look at the candles. If we even go down to the 5 minute, right? This down close candle becomes your CISD if we close above it. Look at the bodies. All of them are respecting this down close candle. Continuation to the highs, right? Perfect CISD. Beautiful, respecting, right? Wicks through the damage. Bodies tell the story. Respect, 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 respect. Continuation. Beautiful, right? That's your CISD. Okay, so Thursday example was a beauty. Now, if we head over to Wednesday, where's open on Wednesday? Right there. Right. So right here, what do we have? Accumulate. Order flow, right? Bullish, right? We're looking for longs, right? We take out this low right here. Failure to close above this body. Come down, take out this low. Closure above the body, right? Closure above this candle's body with this candle here. This becomes your order block. Tap into it. Continuation. Right, continues all day. If you just waited for that CISD right there on that 5 minute chart, you would have been in a beautiful trade, right? So a beautiful trade right there on the 5 minute chart. This just is immaculate right here, right? Taps, rips, right? So Tuesday, I actually don't think there was a good example. I guess, right? There might have been an SMT here. What day is this? Tuesday? Tuesday. Yes, there was. Wait, what time is this? Tuesday at 9:30. Tuesday at 9:30, right? Take out this low. SMT here, right? So this candle is what our eyes are going to, right? Failure to close above here. Close above. This candle comes down, taps into it, rips, right? And another thing you can do with CISD is measure out mean threshold, right? Comes down to mean threshold, continues. Right, mean threshold is just 50% of the body closed to the body open. So right here would be your mean threshold, taps into mean threshold, an absolute ripper. Right, once again, you can do this on any time frame. It's the same exact thing. Right, I just prefer the 5 and 15 minute. Right, and then this day was just chop. Right, stay out of the markets on this day. But what you can do is go down to the 1 minute. Right, so Monday, this becomes your order block on the hourly, right? So 9 in the morning, taps into it, right? What do you wait for? A stop run. Right here's your stop run. This becomes order block. Even though it's choppy, it still respects. This becomes order block, stop run, higher time frame key level, the order block. Taps into this order block, respects, continue to the highs, right? So very quite simple. And I mean, this is really it. We can go over this one because this one's really nice as well, right? So 4 hour fair value gap. Four-hour fair value gap. 5 minute SMT / stop run. Closure above this down close. So we can throw in a bearish example. Taps the order block. Dumps lower. Right? Short the order block. Continue lower. Right? CISD is a very, very simple concept. It's just a candle closure above the opening price. The opening price of the up close or down close candle that drove into a higher time frame key level. So this candle right here creates a SMT. We are inside of a 4-hour fair value gap. Closure below the opening price, taps it, continues lower. That's all CISD is. Very, very simple concept, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, right? And if you notice right here, failure to close above this candle, continues a little bit lower, and then we form an SMT at this low and then continue, and we actually just chop out the rest of the day. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Join the free Discord down below, and I'll see you guys in another one. Peace.